Unlike hot Dr. Pepper, I'm excited about this one.
That's a lot of damage!
Memes equals views, so I added some. Now for the most important part of the entire video, what do you call this piece of bread at the end? Like, what is a proper name for this? Honestly, at this point, I'd kind of rather just put Nutella on regular bread and eat it like that, but for video purposes, I only had chocolate chips. You can't really temper chocolate chips because it's not technically actual chocolate. I tried anyway, didn't have nuts, I used granola. I didn't have enough chocolate. I should have cut up the granola. Like, mistakes were made. Okay, taste test.
Nice.
Yeah, this was anything but nice. The chocolate was not good. The Nutella and the bread was fantastic. Honestly, I give it potential, but not this time. Anyway, like and subscribe. Thank you.